Hello everyone! Welcome back to Friedli's. Today, we'll be making Lucy. Lucy is a gorgeous cape perfect for every occasion. Take your interfacing and place the adhesive, the bumpy side, against the wrong side of one facing piece. Make sure it's centered and aligned properly. With your iron set to the appropriate temperature for your interfacing type, press the interfacing, moving the iron across the surface until it's fully adhered. Repeat this process for the other facing piece. Pin the facing pieces together with right sides facing and stitch them together with a 1 cm seam allowance. Now, let's move on to the cape itself. Pin the shoulder seams lining pattern pieces together, ensuring the right sides are facing each other. Stitch the center back as well. Stitch the shoulder seams using a 1 cm seam allowance, then press them open for a clean finish. With the shoulder seams done, it's time to join the facing and lining. Pin them together with right sides facing, making sure everything matches up properly. Stitch along the edges with a 1 cm seam allowance, then press the seam onto the lining side. To give it that professional touch, edge stitch about 3 mm from the edge, sewing over the right side of the fabric so you can see the stitch. This will help the seam lie flat and give your cape a polished appearance. Moving right along, let's bag the lining of our cape. Lay your main and lining pieces together with right sides facing. Pin them all around the edges. Next, carefully cut out the openings for the arms on the lining fabric, following the openings on the main fabric. Pin these openings as well. Now, stitch all around the edges, including around the openings you just made. Leaving an 8 cm opening at the hem of the cape. This will allow us to turn the cape inside out later. To make the turning process easier, make a few notches around the neck and cut away any excess fabric. Once stitched, turn the cape inside out through the opening you left. Close the opening from the outside with a 3 mm seam allowance. Then, using your iron set to the appropriate heat setting, press down around all the edges to give them a crisp finish. And with that, our cape project is finished. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited to try out your new Lucy cape. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations with us.